Are outdated systems making your elevator management complex and inefficient? Struggling with manual maintenance tracking, slow complaint resolution, and frustrated tenants across multiple properties? It's time to overcome costly downtime and fragmented operations with a modern solution. Introducing Reelevator, the next-generation multi-tenant elevator management system designed to transform your business. This powerful, centralized platform efficiently manages all your lifts and escalators across multiple buildings and clients from one intuitive dashboard. Streamline maintenance with features for both scheduled preventative tasks and immediate repairs, easily assigning technicians and tracking costs. Empower tenants to submit service requests and complaints directly, ensuring swift assignments and real-time status updates for everyone. Robust user roles, from administrators to technicians and tenants, provide tailored access to critical information. Gain valuable insights from comprehensive reporting and analytics on elevator performance and maintenance history. Automated notifications keep all stakeholders informed, preventing issues and improving overall communication. Reelevator is your complete solution for reducing downtime, boosting service efficiency, and enhancing tenant satisfaction. Stop managing your elevators in the past. Embrace the future of vertical transportation management with Reelevator. Visit the link in the description below to learn more and see how Reelevator can elevate your business. Don't just manage, master your elevator operations today.